We always refurbish and build with one key objective in mind, that is to ensure the highest ESG credentials for our tenants. We know that they are searching for green buildings, they are scouting the market, and we know that they choose Nervesa for having the highest ESG credentials.
Carbon footprint will be very soon the next element to check in the choice of the right material.
Nervesa 21 is our first major refurbishment project in Italy. It is our standard of office of the future, an innovative and technologically advanced building.
Part of the brief was to reach the best level in terms of LEED for the building itself, in terms of WELL for the interest of the potential tenants. The building itself is a glazed building, and you have to manage a good balance between the transparency, but of course in terms of energy is a challenge. In that perspective we have to choose the right glass to reach the level that we want to reach and to keep this balance in a positive way.
The building will be certified, and so we are planning to achieve LEED Platinum and WELL Gold certifications. Materials such as concrete, steel and glass are the most carbon intensive and represent also the highest opportunity to reduce our carbon footprint. Therefore, the AGC low carbon glass is the perfect fit for us and fully aligns with our strategy, and that's why we wanted it for Nervesa 21.
The quality of the glass itself in terms of aesthetics, in terms of performance, energy performance, in terms of strength and of the glass itself doesn't change. So I don't have to compromise. It's an easy choice.
At Cromwell, we are very committed to sustainability, not just talking about it, but also delivering tangible actions. Cromwell Group has committed to being net zero in all the portfolios in Scope 1, 2 and 3, also considering tenant emissions by 2045. Of course, we have a significant carbon footprint in Scopes 1 and 2, but the major one is Scope 3. Therefore, we are trying to work with our tenants to influence their behaviors, to reduce their carbon footprints also, and having them come along our net zero journey with us.